My name is Syed Zaib Shah and I am an OIC registered immigration lawyer. I'm making this video to talk about eVisa. I will tell you what is eVisa, who needs to apply for it, when do you need to apply, and how to apply. Anyone holding BRP card in the UK, any migrant coming from any country in the world who may be residing in the UK on a long-term basis, may have applied for any type of visa. Everyone is almost issued with a BRP card. That BRP card has an issue date and an expiry date. And if you hold one of those, you probably have come across the expiry date, which is 31st of December 2024. A lot of people are confused what will happen to their status after the 31st of December 2024. Do they need to renew their current visa? What do they exactly need to do? Unfortunately, not a lot of information is available on gov.uk website, and people are trying to locate the correct information. Please remember, it is very possible that your visa is actually expiring later in the future and your visa is not expiring on 31st of December 2024. However, your BRP card is. So the best place to find the information about your visa validity is that decision letter that comes to you or your lawyer via email from the Home Office that states clearly your visa expiry date. Now that is the correct visa expiry date for you. The BRP card is the document that you often use to show or prove your status, or when you're traveling abroad to come back to the UK. The UK government Home Office has announced that they are bringing in this new scheme called eVisa, because of which everyone's BRP card will expire on 31st of December 2024, and after this nobody will have a physical BRP card. The reason to issue these in the first place was because the UK was part of the European Union, and it was one of the laws, rules or requirement of the European Union to issue people with a visa with a BRP card to prove their status. Now we know Brexit is long done, and we are no longer part of the European Union anymore. Hence, many of those laws, rules, requirements do not apply to the UK government, and they've decided to save some cost, get rid of the BRP cards from everyone, do not issue them anymore, and hence nobody will be in possession of those no more. However, of course, people do need to have some sort of clarification about their visa, some sort of document, whether it's tangible or not, to be able to show to someone that they have a visa. They will need it for their job, to rent a place, to access the NHS, to even apply for your driving license, and of course for traveling abroad to be able to come back to the UK. You can register for eVisa account on the gov.uk website. The UK Home Office has started to send emails to a lot of clients, a lot of people who are holding these immigration status in the UK, to register for eVisa account online on gov.uk website. Now there are so many people who would be expecting these emails and have not received these emails. The Home Office tends to finish sending this email to everyone, of course, before the 31st of December 2024. But it's very possible that you may be confused or making travel plans and want to know how to do this and how to get this sorted before you travel abroad, and do not want to leave this to the last minute. In that case, you can head to the gov.uk website and search for eVisa, or you may want to just wait for the link, and if you can't find it, and if you haven't received an email, you can always get in touch with one of the immigration lawyers, and we or anyone else who may be regulated lawyer can help you with this. Now, making the eVisa account is step one of the entire process. So first, you're going to make an account on eVisa website, which is going to ask for a lot of your personal information like your name, address, telephone, email, visa status, and nationality and passport details and so on. Once you've filled all that up, you will then need to download a mobile app. Of course, if you use iPad or any other Samsung, iPhone, any other type of phone, you should be able to download this from your app store. It's called ID Check app by Home Office. Once you've downloaded that, you're going to need the physical paper Either it's your physical passport or it's your BRP card, tangible document with you in order to use this app. If any one of you have applied for EU settlement scheme in the past, you will be familiar with another application which is a bit similar to this, and you may have used it. And for those who may not have used any of the apps by the Home Office before, this may be your first time. It's a bit tricky, but just try to follow the instructions on the app itself. Once you've downloaded the app, you will then need to scan that physical document with your phone. So whether it's a passport or a BRP card, hopefully it has a chip that the phone can detect and pull up the information from your document into the app. Then this app and your eVisa account will be linked together, and there would be some code that would be generated from one end and you will put it onto the other end and they will be linked. Once these are linked, the account you created online and the app you've got on your phone, and you've scanned your physical ID document and they're linked, then you're able to apply for this eVisa. This eVisa will be like a soft copy of your visa, which you would be able to print, take with you anywhere, have a screenshot on your phone or computer or iPad, whatever devices you may use. And of course you can use them when you're traveling here and there, or when you want to prove your status to anyone which you may be required to. At the moment, the Home Office website says if you make an application for the eVisa after successfully creating the account and getting the application linked with your account, it can take a few days, but who knows? It could take more, it could be instant. It is entirely up to the Home Office how efficient they are with these procedures. But if you have received that email, I would definitely encourage you to make the best of it. Try to deal with this here and now rather than leaving it for another time, because there may be issues that may come up and you won't want to resolve them. I wish and hope you found this video useful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us in comments below, or you can always give us a call. I wish you all the best of luck.